Your Prada sunglasses come in this really high quality box. With your sunglasses, you do get a hard case, some literature from the manufacturer, and then a microfiber cloth to clean your glasses with. Here's a detailed shot of the case, has a velvet interior and a magnetic closure. So these sunglasses were actually featured in the Prada Spring-Summer 2021 Sunglass ad campaign. Now initially I wanted these guys in the all black option. I just thought they were really sleek and it really made the temples, that geometric situation, stand out. But unfortunately at my home store they had sold out of the black option and I got these instead. Now in the paperwork they are listed as gray, but they honestly look a little green, like a little green grayish, which I truly appreciate because I don't have anything else in my collection like this. These sunglasses feature a medium gray, non-polarized lens. Alright, so let's dive into the measurements. These guys feature a 52mm lens width, a 21mm nose bridge, and the temples measure 145mm long. And this is what the sunglasses look like on me.